How to add social media icons on Shopify. First, open your Shopify account and on the left side of your screen, select Online Store. Now here, simply click Customize. Now it will show you a preview of your online store, and in the left side, simply select Theme Settings. Now scroll down until you see Social Media and select that. Then it will show you a lot of different social media accounts that you can put, like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Twitter, Snapchat, Pinterest, Tumblr, and Vimeo. All you have to do is paste the link of your accounts here in the space provided. For example, I will copy this link and put it here. And once the page has refreshed, in the right side of the screen, in the preview, just scroll down and you will see Facebook icon in the lower right corner of the preview. You can add every social media account that is listed here. For example, let's repeat that step for Instagram this time. And let the page refresh first, and then as you can see, Instagram is here. Once you are done, click Save. And now we can exit and go back to see our online store. Click View your online store. And once you have scrolled down in the lower right corner of the page, you will see the linked social media accounts. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.